My friends, hello investors, hello apes, whatever you claim to be, let's talk about Bbig, which translates into Vinco Ventures here. Now, I've been making videos on these guys and I've been telling people, like, listen, if you are not willing to lose, if you're not willing to be here for a while, just walk away. Just don't even waste your time with this one. You're really going to have to just bite the bullet with this and take a little bit of risk to maybe get a big paycheck here. This is an incredibly hot stock right now, hot company, a lot of things going on with it right now, massive volume. This is not dead, so do not listen to the media. This is still moving quite heavily right now. Now, going all the way back to August 26th and the 27th here, this is when we started to see some big volume start to come in here with Vinco. And then that August 31st / September 1st, we had these 2 big days with Vinco. Now we're seeing big sell-off. Which, here's where I want to, draw the line in the sand. Now, usually a lot of things like this I say, and I think this is the common rule at hand with a lot of things you see like this with stocks shooting up so much. Is there any more meat on the bone here? Now, for this company, what they're doing, we're talking about the company itself and what they look like as a fruitful, profitable company here in the X amount of time future. Yeah, I like what they're doing, especially with the NFT market, what they're doing with the crypto market, what they're going to be doing as an overall company with their brand. Now, one thing that I do know is this is somewhat turning into a little bit of a meme stock, and that's not bad. That's okay, because you know what? We live in a day and age where meme stocks / high volume / rally stocks will make you money, and that's all and fine. The issue is, when is this going to stop? Is it going to stop? Personally, what I want to say is I don't really think this will stop, because we've been seeing a lot of things like this keep going. Now, of course, you're going to have your days like we're having today with a little bit of sell-off, and obviously, even today, this is still sitting at a very high place compared to where it's been. If you're down, you can't be down that much right now. With Bbig here, I believe this could end the week pretty strong here. Even after hours, we are showing signs of this has got a lot of volume. It's starting to move up again. Strong here. As long as nothing comes out with the stock market where the stock market gets attacked. And, we've had a great 2 weeks here. And thank God Jerome Powell hasn't been talking, because when that guy says something negative, it destroys the whole market. Bbig ended the day here at a lower pace, high volume today, but still we ended around this high $7 bid price. Now it is after hours here, and I'm seeing still a lot of volume. A lot of things are still going on even after hours, but this has been our slowest day yet with move up. Now, obviously, we're going to have a day here that's going to be a slower day, and today was that day. Obviously, we can't expect every day to be a massive push up unless these guys invented a cure for cancer here. Now, obviously, everybody is wanting to know, is this thing going to continue to rise here? With the price, this $10 even touching a little bit of slice of $11 here. You're seeing puts, you're seeing calls being brought in on it, and there's even higher ones against it and for it. So right now we're watching a battle play out, and personally this is going to be one I am going to be bidding on here. This is one that I am personally going to say we could have a little bit of rough waters here. This $8 $9 mark that we're sitting at, this is going to take a minute to break out of. Now it could break out of this $8 $9 mark here this week, but friends, if you're here for the long ride, I really do think you're going to be fine. This company has a lot of stuff going on right now, a lot of positive stuff. The stuff I already mentioned, not to mention they have a music streaming platform that a lot of people are saying a lot of good things about. So positive outlooks for Vinco here is that they are teaming up with other big companies. There's a lot of things going on in the background right now, and you're just seeing the baby footprints of what this company is doing. So personally, I am very bullish on this. I think this is going to be a tremendous company into the future, and I'm very excited about it. I've been actually looking for kind of like a new tech kind of feel company / digital marketing company. No, this is right up that alley. This is that company. So I'm very curious to see how this is going to play out to the end of the week. I do believe this is probably going to shoot back into a $10 range and maybe break into $11 range. And if this breaks into $11 range and settles somewhere around a $9 range, we're definitely going to be in some waters for double digits to stick around here. So friends, as usual, if you are relying on news from the media to tell you what to do, let me go ahead and tell you they are telling you to get out of Vinco, that it's already had its squeeze, that it's done. And honestly, you know, I'd never believe these guys. They always seem to go the opposite way than what things do, because they always pick the safe, honest, easy route with that. But we're gonna have to be here for a while. This is one you're really gonna have to have patience with. This is one you're gonna have to be willing to have, like, you know what, I got an extra 500, I got an extra $1,000 that I'm willing just to set in this and play around with it and see what happens, because it could really turn into something overnight or maybe X amount of time. There's still a lot of unknowns here. There's still a lot of things that are happening here with volume, with calls and puts every day. There's a lot happening behind the scenes here with this company, with the trading, with the outlook of the future. I am very bullish on this. I think this is going to continue to rise slowly and maybe a hot few days here. So when and if this falls to a $6 range again here, I am definitely picking up a ton more shares of this, because it's too risky not to get in it. So friends, with all that said, I wish you best of luck out there. Remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. It's so important. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will talk to you very soon. Bye everyone.